Okay, so I thought of an idea. I'm gonna test each of these 3 handsets that are portable. I'm testing the functionalities of these 2 answering machines. And we're gonna start with the VTech phone, so I wanted to do this. And for any of you phone enthusiasts, this is also a challenge for you and to see if you can do it. I'm going to take my AT&T first. It doesn't have very much of a charge, as you can see. But we're going to test today. So let's go. Testing on this AT&T cordless phone. I am going to be switching a handset. Okay, now testing the handset 2 on this system to see how well it is going. So far, so good. This is also a range test to see how far these handsets go. Okay, that is gonna be it for this set of AT&T cordless phones. Alright. Now we're gonna do the VTech one. Testing on this handset. Make sure the sound quality is good. I believe this test call was successful. Okay, now, bye-bye. And let's see what we got. We got 2 answering machines with 1 new message. Let's do this one.
You have 1 new message. Wednesday, 9:05 a.m.
Testing on this AT&T cordless phone.
As you can see, we got a message alert on this.
I am going to be switching a handset. Okay, now testing the handset 2 on this system to see how well it is going. So far, so good. This is also a range test to see how far these handsets go. Okay, that is going to be it for this set of AT&T cordless phones.
End of messages. To delete all old messages deleted.
Okay, we're gonna take a look at this.
You have 1 new message. Wednesday, 9:07 a.m.
Testing on this handset. Make sure the sound quality is good. I believe this test call was successful. Okay, now, bye-bye.
To delete all old messages deleted.
Okay, as you can see on this set of cordless phones, this has that delete sound. On this phone set, it does not have the delete sound, it just deletes. So, they are pretty similar, I think. This one, however, is branded by VTech. This one's branded by AT&T, but they use the same software. So I could be wrong on that. I will talk to you all about that later. Also, I will put the model numbers in the beginning of the video so you know what model numbers these are. I will talk to you then. And stay tuned for a vlog today. Bye-bye.